Yo. What's good, my people? Um, I hope the Lavish fam is doing good. I hope you guys are living lavish. I have some very exciting news. This is part two, um, of bagging the Altezza. So we are doing a full boot setup, and we are bagging the Altezza. Today, we're gonna go see the Altezza. They've installed the sound, they've put the tank in and everything. So they just basically finishing the wood cutting and all of that. So then they can install that, do the sound, full boot setup, cover the wood, cover the fiberglass, all of that. It's gonna look insane. I already saw a picture of what the car looks like now, and oh my god, when I tell you guys, when I actually tell you guys, this car, this car, this car, I don't think you guys are ready to see how amazing this car actually looks, because it looks insane. Insane. It's actually stupid how crazy good this car looks. Like, I mean, absolutely crazy. But we'll see you guys there when we get to JNR Customs, because I want to shout out to them. They're doing an amazing job at actually building this car for me. The car looks insane. So we'll see you guys there. Yo, what's good, guys? We are here, JNR Customs. This caddy is so sick. The caddy sits on bags, AirBFT bags, nonetheless. So we actually came to see the Altezza. Let's go visit Josh. Find him. Where's Josh? So I'm looking at the Altezza right now. I'm looking at the Altezza right now, and this looks fucking insane. Oh my god, this looks fucking insane. Apologies for my language, but there's no other way to say this. Alright, so here's Josh. What you have to say, Josh?
I'm pretty amazed at how it sits. I wasn't ever concerned about the suspension. It's more the setup that's my concern. I hate woodwork, but I love it in the same way, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
There's a lot of tedious cutting and adjusting and taking out and putting back in.
Yeah.
So yeah, but the car sits lovely. Everything fits like a glove.
I think lovely is an understatement.
Yeah, no, true. That's true.
Oh my god.
So I'm
And
fine
then
tweaking. I want to get it front a little bit lower.
yeah.
But the back, I mean, the back is anchored all the way down.
No, definitely.
So, yeah.
Definitely. The front's looking good as well, I won't lie.
Just needs a slight little bit more just to
Yeah.
cap the top of the rum. And then
Okay.
I think we've at our maximum. But if you feel like in between the fender and the top of the tires, it's like marginally close.
Serious.
Yeah.
Okay. They haven't seen the car yet, eh? You guys haven't seen the car yet. So
Yeah.
I don't think they can handle it.
When we put it down, I was like, sure, but this thing is setting.
Does it air up and down now?
We've disconnected everything now because now we're back to the wood stuff.
Okay.
I can jig up my system that has the external piping, and then we can just externally pipe it just to lift it, and we can see as well.
Hey man, if you're down for that, I don't know.
I'll put the pipes in now with the joiners, and we'll just quickly lift it.
I don't think they're ready to see the car.
Nah, they're not.
I don't think you guys are. No, the car. Oh my god.
Sorry, no. Shooting and working
Yeah.
don't work well.
Okay. So I'll show you guys the car once once they air it up, and then once it airs out, you guys will see. Okay. Alright, lift it up. Okay. So this is how the car is sitting now. Aired up. Right. If you go to the other side, head up, right? Let's do it. Oh my god. No, the back actually tucks in insane. Look at the tuck. You can't even see the tire. No, guys, let's be real. Let's be real. This might actually be the hottest Altezza in SA right now. Oh my god. Guys, no. Hottest Altezza in SA. And thanks to J&R Customs, hottest Altezza in SA. Hmm? What you saying? What you saying for the fam? What you saying for the fam?
But camera shy, but okay. We're known for polos. Let me start off by saying that.
Okay.
So I like a challenge. I like cars like, for example, this Beetle, this Altezza. I like things that aren't straightforward because you get to think outside the box. Remember, we had a rust issue on the bolts here. So I got to take out some old cutting skills and, hack it off without damaging the thread. So no, it's been a challenge. It's been nice so far. The worst part for me is what we're doing currently, which is woodwork. So yeah, there's lots of clips and there's lots of panels that we need to remove, and because this car is not so readily available, if you break a clip, so we've been like extra cautious. We don't want to rush it, but we're also chasing a deadline. But if push comes to shove and I'm not happy, I'll say we're not happy.
Yeah.
But we're pushing it. We'd like to stick to our grid bolt. So yeah, I think we're nearly there. The suspension is completely buttoned up to the T. So it's literally everything inside the vehicle now.
Yeah.
And then so our plan was to actually start fiberglassing and covering today. But the guys just stepped out because it is Diwali, and happy Diwali to all the guys. If you're watching this, it will be Diwali today. And so there's lots of stuff going on, and it's going good. It's going well.
Thank you, Josh. Josh knows what he's doing. Now car looks insane. Oh, look at this. Oh. No, guys, I feel like a little child. I won't lie. This is insane. Oh my god. Guys, no. This car is insane, dude. Comment down below if you think this is the hottest Altezza in SA. But I know it is.
What's happening, guys? Josh here from J&R Custom. Just a quick update on the Altezza. Food setup is on the way, but the most important part is the actual air suspension.
Okay, we are leaving J&R Customs to let them finish up working and building the Altezza. Dad, you saw the car?
Yeah,
What do you think?
too low.
Too low. Too low. That's when it's fully aired out.
It's on the floor.
Yeah, on the floor. But do you like it?
Yeah.
It's nice. Something different from what we usually build.
Yes.
But listen, keep in touch for part 3. This can be insane when the car is done. But I hope you guys are excited. The boot setup is gonna be proper. I really hope you guys are excited for that.